What's up, online shoppers? I just got a brand new package of these Art3d 16 sets of hook and loop tape with a sticky back. Now these are something I order all the time because I find a place to use them everywhere in my house. These are just such a great value, and I love how many you get in the package. You actually get 16 of these 1x4 inch hook and loop adhesive tape strips. I find this to be a really useful, versatile length for all the projects that I use these for. Now, I have used this hook and loop tape to install rechargeable push lights inside of the darkest cupboards I have so I can see what spices are where on the rack. One of the reasons I keep coming back to this brand is that they have multiple sizes and multiple numbers in their packages, so you can really find something for every need that you have. If you need a bigger strip of hook and loop tape, you can get bigger pieces. If you need smaller pieces or specialized pieces like round circles, you can even get those from this company, and I really like it. You can choose between black hook and loop tape and white hook and loop tape. This one here is the black hook and loop tape, and it has really good adhesion. I find that the sticky on the back of the strips is a really good sticky. It sticks very well. And I find that the hook and loop closures here work just like any of the top industry performers and the names. Like, you know, we call this Velcro, not hook and loop tape. And this works very, very well. Very similar to that industry standard giant. The thing I like the most about using this hook and loop tape is it makes installation of just about everything easy. One of the places that I love to use this the most is when I install power cords. Power cords tend to slip and slide all over the place, and especially when they have the weight of all those different cords pulling on them. This is a great way to stick that power cord in place so that all your cords can be neat and organized. Makes it really easy for cleaning too. The other thing is, this is no commitment hanging. All you have to do if you change your mind of where you put that picture frame or where you stuck that little thing to the wall is remove the sticky tape, and you are good to relocate to another desirable location. If you are looking for a really good set of self-adhesive hook and loop tape fasteners, this is a 16 pack by Art3d. They are so great. I order them all the time. I love the variety of colors and sizes and also the number in the pack. And if you are looking for something to get started with, these ones here are definitely a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.